Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the introduction to control flow. Now imagine waking up in the morning. You wake up and think, is it a weekday? If so, you have to get up, get dressed, and get ready for work or school. If not, you can sleep in a little bit longer and get some extra sleep. But it is a weekday, so you are up and dressed and you look outside. What's the weather like? Do I need an umbrella? And these questions and decisions control the flow of your morning. Each step and result is a product of the conditions of the day and your surroundings. Your computer, just like you, goes through a similar flow every time it executes code. A program will run, start moving through its checklist. If this condition met, is that condition met? Okay, let's execute this code and return that value. Now this is control flow of your program. In Python, your script will execute from the top down until there's nothing left to run, and it is your job to include the gateways known as conditional statements to tell the computer when it should execute certain blocks of code. Now, if these conditions are met, then run this function. Over the course of this lesson, we're going to learn how to build conditional statements using Boolean expressions and manage the control flow of our code. So let's just interpret this real quick. So it's morning, okay? Is it a weekday? If yes, you have to get up at 6:30. If no, you can get up at 8:30. That's fine, right? Now, is it raining? If yes, wear a raincoat. If no, don't wear a raincoat. Do I need to go outside? Stay in PJs if no, and get dressed if yes. Simple as that, right? Let's go to the next one. Boolean expressions. So in order to build a control flow into a program, we want to be able to check if something is true or not. A Boolean expression is a statement that can either be true or false. Let's go back to the waking up example. The first question, is it a weekday, can be written as today is a weekday. The expression can be true if today is Tuesday, or false if today is Saturday. There is no other options. Now consider the phrase, Friday is the best day of the week. Is this a Boolean expression? No, this statement is an opinion and is not true or false. Someone else might say, well, Wednesday is the best weekday, and their statement would no less be true or false than the one above, since there is no objective answer. So again, Booleans need to have a solid yes or no. Like, for example, if is the light turned on, yes or no? Like you just know, right? And then how about the phrase, Sunday starts with the letter C? Is this a Boolean expression? Well, yes, because Sunday starts with an S. So this expression can only be true or false, which makes it a Boolean expression. Even though the statement itself is false, Sunday starts with the letter C, it is still a Boolean expression. Now, determine the following statements are Boolean expressions or not. If they are, set the matching variable to the set yes. If not, set the variable to no. Here's an example of what to do. So, my dog is the cutest dog in the world. This is an opinion and not a Boolean expression, so you would set it as no. Okay, now it's our turn. Okay. Dogs are mammals. Yes. Right. Okay, my dog is named Pavel. Okay. Yes. Dogs make the best pets. That's subjective. Cats are female dogs. Are they? I actually don't know that. I think that's just an opinion, right? Pretty sure. Cats are female dogs is an okay, yeah. Okay. So it's a yes. Okay, there you go. That was Boolean expressions in a nutshell. Yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are looking for, internships or jobs, and you need help with your resume, with career development, and even life beyond computer science, check out the top link in the description. It's a completely free guide I made for you if you want to check it out. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.